Find the 11th term from the last of the AP 10 7 4 dash dash minus 62. We have to find 11th term from the last. So here A equals to 10, D equals to 7 minus 10, that is equals to minus 3. A last term, that means AN or L both are same, equals to minus 62. To find the nth term from last, we have a formula. Nth term from last, that means end of the AP, L minus of N minus 1 into D. Now substitute the values here. Minus 62 minus of N. N means here we have 11th term. That means N is equals to 11. N equals to 11th. 11 minus 1. D value we have here. D is equals to minus 3. D is equals to minus 3. Minus 3. Then minus 62 minus of 11 minus 1, 10. And here minus 3 is there. Now minus 62 will remain same. Minus of minus plus 10 3 is 30. Now both are having different sign. We have to subtract them. Minus 62 plus 30 is equals to minus 32. This is the minus 32 is the 11th term from the end of the AP. Therefore 11th term from the end. 11th term from the end of the AP is minus 32. And here one more question, same question I am going to explain. Find the 20th term from the end of the AP. 3 8 13 dash dash 253. Same model, let me explain. Where A equals to 3, D equals to 8 minus 3, that equals to 5. And here AN equals to L is equals to 253. And here 20th term, 20th, N equals to 20. So we have to find 20th term from the end. So we have a formula. Nth term from the end of the AP. Nth term from the end of the AP, or nth term from the last. Nth term from the last is L minus of N minus 1 into D. Same process, previous problem only. Now L is equals to here 253 minus of N is equals to 20 minus 1. D is equals to here 5 is there. D is equals to 5. Then 253 minus of 20 minus 1, 19 into 5. Then 253 minus 19 5s are 95. Now we have to subtract it. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5, 8. Here 4 will remain. Take one borrow. 14. 14 minus 9, 5. And here 1 will remain. 158. 158. Therefore 20th term 20th term from the end of AP is 158. Just to remember that formula, L minus of N minus 1 into D.